Hello everyone, welcome back to the Answer Lounge. And in today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through on how to integrate your Zoho CRM calendar with your Outlook calendar. So this integration, it will make it easier for you to keep your CRM activities and your Outlook activities to be perfectly in sync. So it will also be helping you to stay organized and never miss an important meeting or any follow-ups. So to achieve this, you'll need to go to your Zoho CRM marketplace. So on the new UI, you'll find the marketplace on the left hand side. On the old UI, you need to go to your settings. Under marketplace, you need to select Microsoft. So once I'm here, I'll just select on meetings. And this will redirect me to my Microsoft sign in page. Here, I'll just log in with my email address, my Outlook account. So once that is done, it will just give me a pop-up right here with inside Zoho CRM. So from here, if you click on this drop down, by default, you'll find the Zoho CRM calendar option enabled. So what this allows is that when you're doing the integration, it will create the Zoho CRM calendar available right here within the Outlook section. However, if you don't want that, you can just select the default calendar that you have available within your Outlook. So any meetings that you've already created within your Outlook, they'll be available with inside Zoho CRM. So in this case, I'll just select the default calendar. Next up, we come to our sync options. So we have two-way sync or a sync from Zoho CRM to your Outlook calendar or from Outlook calendar to Zoho CRM. So in this case, I'll be using the two-way sync. Then if you want to automatically block the time in your Zoho CRM calendar based on the meetings on your Outlook calendar, then you can be able to achieve this just by enabling this option. So in this case, I won't be enabling it. Then I'll just click on next and proceed. Then if you want to add any default values for your meetings, then you can add those values. But in this case, I'll just use the standard fields that I have and click on enable. Once this is done, you get this option in your section and you can be able to see the sync status for the meetings and also for the block option, which is in this case, I didn't enable it. So now what we can do is we can just try to create a meeting within Outlook and check if it's available within inside Zoho CRM. So this thing can work in two ways. So I'll just go to my Zoho CRM calendar and select the month of the calendar. So I'll just create, let's say, a meeting right here on the 17th of this month. And let's say Zoho test Outlook. And we have a date and time. So let me just select a lead that I want to create the meeting for with the inside Zoho CRM. Then I'll just select the lead that I need. And next up, we can just click on save. So the event is created with inside Zoho CRM with Zoho Test Outlook. So if I now go to my Outlook account, now I also do have that meeting created. So the same will apply if I create a meeting within Outlook, it will be available with inside Zoho CRM. So if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe.